Good evening, I'm Ann Nyberg.
And I'm Darren Kramer, sitting in tonight for Keith Kunst. We start in New Haven tonight, where today police have identified 2 suspects in the shooting death of a 16-year-old boy.
The teen was shot in the neck Wednesday night on Day Street. Police believe the shooting stemmed from a street fight over a girl. This marks the Elm City's 21st homicide of the year. News 8's Bob Wilson is live on the scene from New Haven Police Headquarters. Bob?
Yeah, police say it was a large street fight. This man is under arrest. This man is wanted for alleged manslaughter. It happened Wednesday night, and police are saying that tonight, if you see him, please call them. They would like to take him off the streets. He has a criminal history. And police are also saying tonight, very tragic, a 16-year-old boy, a life cut short, never to realize his potential on the basketball team as a star or in college, where he's hoping to go.
Witnesses confirmed that a large fist fight occurred in the area of George Street and Day Street. During the fight, Owen Lair pulled out a handgun and fired it multiple times into the large crowd. Javon Haley then returned fire at Lair.
16-year-old Sean Reeves, police say, was an innocent bystander in the wrong place at the wrong time. He was gunned down Wednesday night about 9:20, just 1 block from St. Rayfield's Hospital. Police say there was a large fist fight between 2 groups of people, and then 2 men pulled out guns and started firing at each other. Owen Lair, 25 years old, is wanted on manslaughter. He's still on the loose tonight. While Javon Haley, 20 years old, is under arrest. Bail has been set at $500,000 for possession of a firearm.
We believe that Sean Reeves was a victim of the senseless act of violence that occurred when these 2 young men chose to settle their differences by opening fire on a crowded street in New Haven.
And a lot of people that were there did come forward. They helped out police, and police are now looking for your help. There's the photo again. Take a good, hard look. That's the man, Lair. If you see him, please call police. There's a warrant out for his arrest for manslaughter. I'm Bob Wilson, reporting live in New Haven, News 8.